Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can test your Microsoft Teams before meeting. So, before joining a meeting, you have to make sure that your microphone, speaker, and camera are all working. So, once you're on your Teams website or app, or whatever it is that you're using, you'll just have to click either your profile picture or your settings and more, which is the three dots right here. So just go ahead and click that, and again, click settings. And now that you're here, you will go ahead and click devices. And what you will do is under the audio settings or devices, you will select the correct speaker and microphone. And then you will just have to click test, make a test call if it is available for you. And yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, you will have to speak into your microphone and verify the audio playback. And now under the video, you will see the video settings. And for the camera, you will have to check that the preview shows your video correctly. And then for the and yeah, that's basically just it. You could just adjust the devices or start teams if there are issues. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.